رامپرسات یو له هغو بهرنیو پانګوالو څخه دی چې تازه افغانستان ته راغلی او غواړي دلته د لمریزې برېښنا سولر په برخه کې پانګونه وکړي. نوموړی وایي
I came from South Sudan to establish the business in Kabul. We are generally working for supplies and maintenance, and also we are doing for the renewable energy sector. And I found that Kabul is the best place where it is growing up, where we can do our solar systems to vulnerable community in the South, the Afghanistan. I found this office is very supportive and helpful, and I found the staffs are very genuine and they are working hand to hand. Also, they are also good at advising us that where I can go, where we cannot go, where we can invest it. I really appreciate the people in the CBR. The people are really supported, and I have completed my tax, that registration of the company, and we are looking forward opportunity with the government support and the other institution support to develop ourselves, especially promoting the renewable energy in Afghanistan. Thank you.